We just arrived at Black Beach and we're about to go explore. It says that the beach is closed. Not good. But we're gonna try and see if we can get in there anyway, somehow. Alright, so the plan is to go along the beach that we have access to here and then work our way towards the island in that direction. Along the beach instead of taking that road that's closed off. So hopefully we can still get there. But, yeah. We're almost there. Nate, where are you?
I'm coming.
There he is. Yeah. You made it? Oh shit.
William and I still have not made it.
Alright, oh jeez. Oh. Took that in the ear. Oh god. This is dangerous. Oh god. Look at that.
You wanna?
We made it.
Dang. Tell me when you got it.
I got it.
Okay. Let's go. Sick. We did not record the trek down from the mountain because it was very difficult to do with no shoes on and holding camera equipment at the same time. So it wouldn't have looked good anyway. But it was a difficult endeavor.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is why they call it Black Beach. Right here.
Alright, we're about to start climbing the mountain here at Black Beach. So wish us luck.
There we go. Good plan. Got my shoes back.
Holy cow.
Got my shoes back.
Yes. Oh, I suppose. That was wild.
Well.
This is what we just climbed up from all the way down there. Oh, that'd be so cool. Hoisting everything up here and sleeping up here. All right, now to explore.
It's starting to feel rain, so if we're gonna do anything,
Oh crap.
we should probably get going. Ooh, yeah, getting down's gonna be tough with rain.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to find an overhang to put all our stuff on.
Alrighty, let's go explore. We made it to the top of the Black Beach island / peninsula thing.
Yep.
And anyway, we're just kind of staring out over the view here.
Beautiful. It's not easy to get here. You're probably food. Yeah.
Yeah, we should have.
You guys see the
Anyway, we got
all the way over there? Oh yeah, cool. Or maybe that's a cloud.
we got the drone ready to fly here in just a little bit.
Drone's about to take off, boys. So we've been out here at Black Beach about an hour now.
We're gonna set up this hammock here.
Is
Nate,
that what
move.
we'd like to call the air conditioner?
Yes, all the wind is being funneled
All the
right
wind
here.
gets funneled in, gets the nice, cool lake air, and goes right into what we like to call the AC zone.
Yes. So, Lenars,
Yeah,
how have you been enjoying the trip so far?
I've really been enjoying the trip. I mean, just climbed up this whole island, you know? And now, hey, stop zooming in on me. Bruh. The one time you want video of me, you're just doing it to make fun of me.
Over here you can see Jonas trying to secure one of his hammock lines to a birch tree. He's going for about this zone right here with a nice view over there.
This is nuts. This is such a prime view.
Does this get you high if you smoked it?
Guess who's back? Still doing that shit, Andre? Oh, for sure.
That was not a video. I wish it was.
Alright, get in here.
I don't know if. Okay, yeah. I'm in
You just
frame.
back up a little bit. Alright, we just got done.
At the island. We just got off the island.
We just got done at Black Beach.
My brain just
I
exploded.
don't know if you can see that cliff behind us, but
Skull
we were on the top of that.
Wait, everyone.
Probably saw that in some.
Okay, we're gonna show them the cliff that we were on. Everyone,
No.
go back to the backs. Can you do this?
What?
Can you do
PewDiePie
this?
chair.
Can
PewDiePie
you
chair.
do
Oh,
Ready,
okay,
steady,
okay.
PewDiePie chair.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Do
you see it?
We climbed that. So cringe.
We climbed.
Now we're gonna go back to Finland and cook up some dinner.
Yeah, you're
Oh.
gonna see some
Rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken.
It's
some prime.
It's a fan favorite.
brats.
Right over the fire.
We might even do some sort of weird Tonka toaster invention
Mm.
with
Ooh,
like peanut
yeah.
butter and jelly.
Ooh, that.
Peanut butter. I've had that before. It's
Really?
actually very
Dude,
good.
I feel like that'd be like deadly.
Molten.
Yeah.
It'll be good though. So
It's a good one.
stay
It's
tuned.
molten.
Stay tuned for that.
It's gonna be good.
Boing,
You're not gonna want to miss
King
it.
Tonga.
All right.
Boing,
You will not want
All right,
to.
just shut off the camera.
What's up, everybody? Oh, Mywa.
William's stomach is burning.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah, dude, this looks nuts.
Should I just go for it?
Yeah, just go for it. Oh my. All right, we have arrived at Split Rock
Pebble Beach.
and we're on Pebble Beach. And our current mission is to try and get to Grant Island, which is right over there. And there's quite a lot of water in between the beach and the island. And so the water is also very cold, and it is a cold day today. And we have a lot of backpacks with valuable things in them. So we have decided that our best course of action will be to construct a raft out of logs to float the backpacks over to make the trip easier for us.
So that's currently what's happening over here.
This is gonna be a key piece of the raft right here.
It's raft making time, baby. I feel like we shouldn't use the. Oh wait, I see what you mean. Are we gonna have enough?
Like a tad, not a lot, but like.
Bruh.
Alright, we have finished up construction on the raft. We put a few cross logs to try and keep the goods dry, backpacks out of the water. And we're about to start our trek to the island.
Let's hope everything goes as planned.
Yeah, hopefully our backpacks don't fall in the water, because that would be extremely bad.
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen.
So it would seem.
We've had an injury. J-Man's is going to dress the wound.
I'm
Razor
fashioning.
sharp rocks and no feeling in the legs is not a good.
I thought you were about to rhyme that.
Was it right here?
Yeah, right there is the actual
Okay.
cut.
Do you want me to put it on there tight?
Not too tight, just like, yeah. This is so epic. There we go.
Alrighty, we have made it to Grant Island. Our raft worked for the most part. We had to take off 2 of the backpacks, but we got to use it for my backpack, so you know that worked pretty well. We found out that we are not the only inhabitants of this island now. There are a group of bros as well as us. And we may get in trouble for building a raft once we get back to the mainland.
There's
So,
some rangers waiting for us.
Yeah, lying
We
in
should
wait.
get some shots of them just so then
Yeah.
Yeah.
they can see. Let's go over there.
So
This is another clickbait opportunity, right?
true.
Here.
We get arrested.
Caught by rangers.
Almost got caught by
Get
park
arrested
rangers.
by park rangers.
All right, here are the park rangers. There's the one in the neon vest, and another one right next to him. Yeah. They're waiting for us. We might be in trouble.
Looking at us. Said the range man.
headed to Tedagouche to hopefully find some showers. And then we'll be going to Beaver Bay, just chill there until we decide to go home. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Well, it's been quite the journey. We've had an entire weekend and day of fun adventures and, you know, some hardship, but, you know, all together just a great weekend, great adventure. The boys, we're now